Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, what's up, what's good with you? Hi, my name is Shani. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. So in today's video, I have a hair tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I clip in my clip-ins, and these are the Her Given Hair clip-ins. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know a while back I got some 18-inch clip-ins, and I've been wearing those since, and I still have them. But they sent your girl some more, and they also sponsored today's video. So shout out to Her Given Hair for always working with the kid and showing me love. So if you guys are interested in this hair and how I clip it in, girl, let's just go ahead and get into this video, because listen, I can't, no, honestly, this is a look. Y'all can't tell me nothing, okay? Dejanay who? Alright, I just want to tell y'all that the quality of these clip-ins are phenomenal. These are the 20-inch blown out clip-ins that they sent me in the natural color, and the ends look super good, and they're flowy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then this is the 22-inch that I'm about to put in my hair. This is about to be cute. So I need to go ahead and straighten out the rest of the side. Let me loose it out so y'all can see the natural texture of the hair. It is a little altered because I braided it out the way. Alright, so this is how the hair looks. Ooh, this curl pattern is so cute. Okay, but this is how it will look somewhat when it comes to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten these clip-ins out, and I will be right back. I will tell you the flat iron I'm using. This is from Pure Code. I've had this for a good minute now, and it works on my hair and it works on weave, so I use it for both my weave and my real hair. And of course, I'm going to be doing the chasing method because that just works when it comes to straightening out natural hair. So let me go ahead and straighten these out, and then I will come back and show you guys how I get them in my head. Right, so I'm working with 12 clip-ins in total. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm working with a total of 12 clip-ins, and they're all laid out. But before I put the clip-ins in my head, I'm going to cut them and customize them because I am doing a middle part, and some of the clip-ins are a little too long. I need some 2 clip-in wefts and 1 clip-in weft. So the first clip-ins I'm going to be cutting are the 2 4 clip-in wefts in 20 inches. Where are my scissors? These are going to be going right here so that my hair can lay over it and blend in. And if you guys are wondering, I do recommend getting 2 sets of clip-ins because 1 pack might not be enough. I know for me, I can kind of finesse it, but it's just better to have 2. So just putting that out there. These 2 clip-in wefts that I just cut are from the 20-inch 4 clip-in weft. And now let's cut this one. Alright, so this is the 5 clip-in weft, and I'm about to cut this one right here and have 1 clip-in weft and 2 clip-in wefts. It would be so much easier if I had multiple cameras so I can show y'all what I'm doing from a different angle, because this just looks confusing. I know y'all are confused. I apologize. So I made another 2 clip-in weft. Just put it right there. I think I'll be good after this. So this is a 1 clip-in weft, and then we have another 2 clip-in weft. So we're putting that in that pile, and let's put this 1 clip-in weft over there. Alright, so now I'm still on the 20-inch bundle, and I'm using the 3 clip-in weft, and I'm going to make another 2 clip-in weft and 1 clip-in weft by cutting this in half. Alright, okay, so I think I have everything sorted out. So let's clip in this hair. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these baby hairs out just a little bit. But the first thing I'm going to do is clip in a 3 clip-in weft upside down, and this is the 22-inch. That's going to be on the nape of my neck. And I'm doing this because when I wear clip-ins, there's always my hair sticking out right here, so I want to make sure it doesn't do that. So this is going to stop it from doing that. I'm just going to place this right on the nape of my neck, like so. I probably should have parted my hair before I did this, but it's okay. Alright, so I have this in, and I'm just going to flip that over, take my rat tail comb and part this off and brush it down. Alright, so that's how that's going to look. And I'm going to part it by my ear. I'm taking a 4 clip-in weft of the 22 inch and placing this right here. Alright, so I have 2 clip-ins in as of now. Now I'm going to come up above the ear, if that makes sense. And this is going to be the 5 clip-in weft. So now I'm going to start laying the tracks this way, like this, because if I keep doing it around like this, then I'm going to see tracks when I part my hair, and we don't want that. Okay, so this part is going to be a little curved. Taking a 3 clip-in weft. So that's her. Then we're going to go to this side because everything needs to be even and do the same curved parting.
This boy got a hit.
And you want to make sure you're not clipping in your clip-ins too tight because you don't want it to be pulling at your hair, especially if you have thin hair. That's going to cause a whole bunch of tension on your hair and then could lead to breakage, and we don't want none of that. So try to keep your clip-ins loose. Now I'm going to be using the 2 clip-in wefts that I made, and my parts are going to get a little more straight and not so much curved. Just go to this side because we gotta keep it even. I actually feel like there's more hair on this side of my head, which is really weird, but that's how I feel. Take another 2 clip-in weft and lay that right here. Ooh. There we go. Let's make another part. It's getting thicker now. Comb it over. Alright, so this is my last 2 clip-in weft. So we're just going to place this right here. Right on the crown of my head. Okay, so right here, I want to add one of these 1 clip-in wefts. Pop that right here. Flip that hair back over that. Now everything is covered. Flawless install key. Alright, so all my clip-ins are in. Now I'm just going to trim the front of it so my hair blends with the clip-in a little bit better. You know what I mean? Everything is flat. Everything is covered, I think. Okay, so I have my edge control, and this is the 24-hour edge tamer, and I got this from my local beauty supply store, so that's what I'm using. Does anybody get their edge control out like this? So I'm just gonna take some of that product and put it on the root of my edges, and I'm just dispersing this product evenly on all of my edges. I feel like everybody lays their edges differently. This is how I like mine to be laid, so just do your thing. And then that's it. Now y'all finally know what hair I be wearing when my hair looks like this. It'd be the Her Given hair clip-ins. I've been wearing them for years. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video.